I kind of want to like grab all the crust and eat that.
Today I'm going to show you a trick that's going to change the way you barbecue forever. You guys all know how I like to spray meat because it adds moisture to the outside, preventing it from drying out, but at the same time we're adding flavor, and flavor is building up bark and all kinds of goodness. That's why I love spraying so much. But I got another trick up my sleeve. Because even though this is a fantastic device, we need something, a fluid, to go in here. And besides our spraying device, we now have our magical machine that makes beautiful flavors. And I discovered it. It's something new. Maybe because millennials don't know, right? They don't know what this is. They may have never seen one. This is what they used to call a coffee maker. Yeah, a coffee maker. Not like these pads that you get, like that. Exactly, like these. Well, your grandmother and grandfather used to have these things, and they would make the most amazing coffee. And then we decided the coffee wasn't good enough for us, and we had to have these expensive machines with the expensive coffee, so we spent more money on the same thing. That's why we don't have these anymore. But you can still find them if you look for them in the right places. Maybe you can even find one on Amazon. It's a magical machine, and let me show you what we're going to do with it.
Wait. You tell me that coffee doesn't come from Starbucks?
No, it's not from Starbucks. On the top, there is a tray, a secret compartment. You can even take it out, and it looks like this. And it holds filters. Paper filters where you can put your coffee in. But what we're going to do is even more amazing, because we're not adding coffee, we're adding a barbecue rub. Just load it up. There we go. Close the secret compartment and then open the next secret compartment. And this is the water reservoir. By adding water to it, it's fully loaded now. Now all we have to do is hit this button and a red light turns on. Now it's active. Water's being pumped from the reservoir into the secret compartment, and we can already hear it. It's starting to work. It's making our barbecue rub extraction. It is brewed barbecue flavor. Your favorite rub in a cup. And of course, I have to try and take a little sip. Ooh. Whoa. We're onto something. This is like really cool. Now comes our spray machine, and if you go to our website, I got an Amazon link for this thing, and I've had a lot of these, but this one, woo, this one's good. And most of the time, the biggest problem that I have is when solids go into it and it just gets stuck and everything, and that's why I came up with the filter thing. And then I thought, well, if we're filtering anyway, why not use the coffee machine? It's a one big filter machine. See, Marshall, I'm a smart guy, you see? Oh, there you go, look at it. Oh. And that's how you get an amazing amount of flavor in your spray bottle. All we need now is some meat to test it on. And I got these beautiful lamb ribs because I think we need to redeem lamb ribs, because last time we had lamb ribs, it wasn't a big success, and everybody said, whoa, dude, you must have had the wrong lamb ribs, because lamb ribs are amazing. So here we are, back to lamb ribs. A little bit of rub on there, and this is the same rub that we could put in the coffee machine, so we're gonna have like one big flavor explosion of this. I'm just gonna put it on both sides. And now that we got this all rubbed up, we're going to fire up our Burnhard smoker and start cooking. I set up our Bernhard smoker to smoke at a temperature of around 140 degrees, which is going to be perfect for our ribs. And once we got the ribs on, we're going to let them cook for around an hour before we start spraying, so it can pick up the smoke flavors. And then every half hours we're going to be spraying our ribs and build up flavor. Now that is what I call juicy ribs. We're just like golfing out, like the ocean coming out of like a rack of lamb ribs. Crazy, right? Oh man, this looks really good. The amount of like crust on the outside, and this is just ribs that we did. Look. That is all in the juices. That's the spray. Of course, we got our rub on, but then with the spray, we just built up layer and layer and layer and layer and layer, and we just kept on going. Isn't that cool? I think it's cool.
It looks really, really, really juicy. That's a little bit too much fat, I think.
How do I do this without being the weird guy about it? Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. Like, You gotta get the outside because it's about the spray, and the spray, it's all about the spray.
No, but that's what I love. The outside is amazing.
I'm just gonna do it. I wanted to do this, but I was a little bit scared to really do it because I think it's gonna be weird. But Jim, if you think this is a no-go, just cut it out, okay?
I kind of wanna like grab all the crust and eat that. Can I do that? Now that rule. We need to make a whole video about that. That's the star of the show.
It's the thing. It's like this.
I thought that coffee came from Starbucks or like a coffee joint. Apparently, they're like machines.
Look what it does. The thing goes up and down. Like you can point it wherever you want. And then you got this like that lets the pressure regulate. And you got the safety cap and you got the pump. This thing is sturdy. Goes up to 3 bars. I don't know what that is in PSI. A lot. A liter of fluids. I can like spray my meat all day and I don't have to do refills. It never breaks, it doesn't start leaking, you don't lose any pressure. This thing is awesome. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. Big thank you to our patrons and the YouTube members. See you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling. And feed your dog. Feed your dog, that's an important part. You want some? You want some? There we go.